Hello guys, and welcome in today's video. Today was a full day, not only for the worker but also for me. I had to take back some materials to bags of, let's say, a total of 40 kilograms of this fine stuff that goes before the paint, and also for the delivery. The sink finally arrived from Poland. It's the same brand as all the other things that I've purchased, mostly for the bathroom, the drain for the shower, and also the entire shower system. We see that today the first coat of paint was done, even in the bathroom. So it looks really, it looks amazing. You can imagine, I have never stood or lived in my life in an apartment renovated in such a way. You can see here the waterproof material. It is simply amazing. It's like rubber, so I could spray or drop water directly on it and it wouldn't pass through the wall. So paint here, on this side no paint, but because further works needed to be done here with this, let's say, first two coats of plaster. So this still has to dry out, but here the ceiling really looks amazing, and this poor light doesn't do it justice. Also it smells really nice. The entire kitchen, I see that, has been painted, or not the entire. This wall here, man, it looks simply, I'm astonished. The ceiling and this wall also, everything looks so crisp. Even these pipes from the heating system, again, they blend in now really nice. On this side again, we still have to wait for everything to dry out, especially the mosaic base. Here he told me that he will apply the waterproof stuff not only on this mosaic area, but also here further on, and only after that he will put the paint. Also all the water pipes here have been painted for the first time. They will for sure look way better than before. And also the gas pipe. This is just the first coat, but here it will look really nice in the end. But yeah, it's such a healthy smell. This paint has silver ions from Cobor Certificat Plus, and it will let all the walls breathe, and it will prevent the mold to gather up. I should really vacuum clean this place. I mean, my router and my NVR are I don't know how they can take it. You see right here also. But yeah, this house has never looked like this. Here also, just with this first layer of paint, it's really something. So this entire room has been painted. From what it was before and how it is right now, it's really it's incredible. Again, all the pipes, the heating pipes have been painted to blend in better. And this smell really is something like you would want to inhale it even more. And again, this entire bedroom has been properly painted. I will now be able to put some duct tape or some protective tape on these two valves also. But yeah, it simply looks amazing. Also, if you can imagine today, aside from the sink and all the system that will go for the hot and the cold water, today my drain from AliExpress arrived as well. The one that cost with 150% less than what I had to purchase in a rush from my country to give it to the worker. But yeah, it's incredible for me, and I'm really grateful that I am in this stage, and that the worker really does a good job. It is expensive, but at least he's really good at what he does. Right now, today, 1 month is or ends since I've started to collaborate with him, and in about 2 weeks he expects to finish the entire project. So in 2 weeks all the mosaic will be placed and everything done by the book. So I will have to call in the electricians with or to announce them and tell them this with about 1 week prior, so they can come and start the last part of their work ASAP. So because in 1 day they will finish everything, and after that I will have to call in the wooden floor worker who will hopefully do a nice job just like the mason here did. So this is pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I wish you all the best. I wish you to have projects finished well in the best time possible without cutting corners. I wish you all the best, and I'll catch you in the next videos. Bye bye.